My name is Emily Ball, and this is my video presentation on the cow eye. I can get that to show up. There we go. And this is my index card with the list of structures to cover. So, the eye was first dissected by taking all of the muscle and fat off of the outside, so we could see the actual structures of the eye. It was then cut into an anterior and a posterior compartments, and when that was cut, the vitreal humor came out. It was a clear but jelly-like substance that I fortunately don't have to show. And then, starting with the anterior portion of the eye, we have the cornea, which appears very cloudy, which would refract a ton of light if this was in a living specimen, but this cloudiness is usually something that happens after death. When the cornea was cut here, a very watery substance came out. This is known as the aqueous humor, and it gives the cornea a dome shape and maintains the shape of the eye here, and it's mainly just water and proteins, very, very liquid. Here we have the pupil, and then all around we have the sclera, which is the whites of the eye. You can be seen there. Then in our posterior portion, we have what is left of the retina, and the retina, let's see if I can get this, attaches to the posterior portion of this area at the optic disc, and as we saw in other portions of the lab, that is where the blind spot comes from. Back here we can also see the sclera extending this white rim, and the choroid here, this dark membrane that gives nutrients to the retina when the retina is still all there. And it's quite shiny in this case, which actually refracts more light than we would want in our own vision. Now removed from the anterior portion of the eye is these pieces, which here is the iris, very dark in cows. And then we also have the lens, which is almost marble-like. It's very firm. And last but not least, on the posterior portion of this posterior half, we can see the optic nerve right here, extending posteriorly from the back of the eye.